Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kasorkar jela khamtam katanat pulit kladevin shim dagi senjam beting persya yaki tu kira ba lane ki kinhon ki Pyndik yaki company ki pintre yak Surok ba na Umshyrphi-Dawki. Yakani lapen pau du unong yalam kaliang persya na kaseng kongres ubaroni wiling do ubdeiru UMLA kamlem constituency. Habakren shegla pathai khubor ubaroni uloong kalong ke waskongsi bat kabamla apadiang namar tang na kadaw ki kattu kat ningut ki bakwal mentoy shimat kala kata ya baro namar ke jing bampat la ban pintre yak Surok ba na Umshyrphi-Dawki.
Very unfortunate because few persons with the selfish interests affecting the interests of the larger population. So I've told the firm NHIDCM that if they come across such instances, you please contact me also, so that we can ensure that there is no impediments to execution of the work. And I believe the authority also should take due cognizance of this, including the law enforcing agency and then of course the government, to ensure that people do not suffer because of a few selfish individuals or other groups. The knowledge applied by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD, it was because the initial firm who were allotted with the work have abandoned the work. So, retendering had to be done, and retendering has been done, and the work has been allotted, and I believe I'm seeing now that work has started. So I would urge upon the government, especially the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of us, to follow up with the concerned contractor, concerned authority, that is NHIDCL, to ensure that the work is done, expedite the execution of the work, because we are facing a lot of problem now. You must have seen commuting from Shillong to Upper Shillong or any village in that part. It's become a nightmare where we get stuck on the road for hours on end. So I request the government is to follow up with the concerned contractor firm, with the concerned authority, that is NHIDCL, to ensure that the work is taken up on a war footing, so that we can ease the hardship, the difficulties being faced by the people living in that part of the state. It's not only Upper Shillong or Mulim that is affected. Practically all the the villages, the areas that have to commute, use this road to commute, they've been facing a nightmare. So I request the government to ensure that the work is done, expedited, and on a war footing.